Hello everyone, how are you doing? In this quick tutorial, we will fix Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 sound problem. So if you are facing sound problem in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, simply just watch complete video and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. And also don't forget to subscribe. So first of all, you just need to open settings. So first just tap on settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Also this will fix your problem.